Hey everyone, I've got a couple Cavapoo litters to show you. We had Coconut that had one cute boy, and if you've ever wondered what we do with a singleton when we have one puppy, it's actually highly beneficial to put them with other puppies. So having them develop alone is actually not really great for them. They don't develop the social skills and the bite inhibition, all these different skills that they get when they're with litter mates. So we actually have this little boy with Gucci's two puppies. So Gucci is stepping in as a sweet mama and taking care of this little boy. So we've got Coconut's little Cavapoo boy. He's just beautiful, Blenheim colors. Then we have Gucci's two sweet little boys. So we've got three boys together. Aren't they just gorgeous? They are so sweet. These are Coco and Gucci's litter. We've got the singleton little boy and the two other little boys here.